Have you ever wondered on how to trim a video in Windows? Worry no more, because in this video, I will teach you on how to trim a video in Windows 10 with the use of Windows Hidden Editor. This video editor is called Windows 10 Photos app. For minor video editing, you don't need to download heavy video editors anymore, because you can do that with the inbuilt Photos app. If you want to know more on the things that you can do with the Photos app, I made another video explaining about it. To start with, click on search icon and then type Photos. Now, click on the Photos app. After the Photos app opens, click on the video editor. Click on the new video project and name your video project. Then click on OK. Now, it's time to add your clip to the project. To add, click on the Add button under the project library. Select from where you want to add the clip. Now, browse and select the clip that you want to add, then click on Open. You can also drag and drop the clip from the folder directly. Now, drag the clip from the project library and drop it to the storyboard. Click on the Trim button. Then use the sliders to adjust the duration of your video. When you're already satisfied with the length of the clip, click on the Done button. Then click on the Finish Video button in the top right corner. Now, select the output video quality. You can select from 1080p, 720p and 540p. Then click on the Export button. Select the location of where you want to save the video and click Export. Once the export process is completed, you will have your trimmed video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and share this video. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell to never miss one of our videos.